Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have JBL Xtreme 2 Bluetooth speaker. Let's start off with the packaging. Now personally I really like this handle. I was carrying this home with my bike and this was on the bar, the handbar of the bike, and it was strong enough to carry it through all the bumps on the road. Really strong handle. And you need strong handle for expensive product like Xtreme 2 JBL. And also on the top, check it out. Can you see? It has this nice pattern, triangles here. Very nice. And on the front, the picture of this speaker actually has different material than this other cardboard. This is like, it's like glossy, shiny cardboard, but here they use just normal cardboard. You can hear the difference. So yeah, I think they really use a lot of money and efforts on the packaging. It comes with carrying strap, that's good. So here's some information on the back. Again, this material is different than this. Very nice packaging. And 15 hours of battery life, that's good. Dare to listen. Let's get inside the box. Very careful with the knife to not cut your hand. Ooh, look at this. Very nice unboxing experience. It's very well guarded with the foam, so no accidents will happen. Oh, here we go. JBL Xtreme 2. This not to eat, please. More foam, more foam. And what is this? How does this open? Ooh. I think this is a charging port. What? UK, but I live in Finland. They better have Finnish version here as well. Okay, they have Finnish version. I think it's kind of waste that they give UK version and also European version, because they should just have made different versions in different country. Like, what do I do with this? Nothing. It's gonna go to waste. So minus points for using the material you don't need. Just leave this off, okay? And what is this? More charging ports. This actually goes to speaker. And then you can choose if you want the European version or the UK version. So, and here also some information. Does it come with any stickers like Apple products? I don't know. Yeah, boring stuff. This is the main thing, the main course. Oh, look at this beast. Ooh, yeah. Where is the carrying strap though? Did they forget the carrying strap? Don't see it here. It's actually here. I got nervous there a little bit. Like I thought the carrying strap is gone. But yeah. Here we go. Carrying strap. Seems to be a really strong quality. Like this will not break. Sometimes the companies they make super cheap carrying strap and clips like this, but this one, very nice. You can leave it. Yeah, let's put it on and see if it works or not. I hope it does. It's time for the truth. Let's see if JBL Xtreme 2 is any good. So yeah, let's see if it turns on first. I haven't charged it yet, but it should come with a little bit of charge already. Here we go. And now we have to connect it with my phone, so 1 second please. Found it. JBL Xtreme 2 right over here. Let's connect. And now we test with the best EDM artist from Finland, Tester. Here we go. The bass!
It's working. Can you hear the bass? Behind. USB. Charging. And also you can connect the microphone, I think. So that's good. Look at they shaking like. It's like vibrating. The power of bass. Power of bass. Here, drop. This is Tester. Tester. It ain't right by Tester. Very good song. If you wanna check out good artists on Spotify, check out Tester. Really nice songs like. I also composed some of these songs like, for example, this song right over here, Beach Euphoria. I made melody for this one. It's the Living the Dream. Very good song. Anyway, I'm surprised by the power of this bass like. Ooh, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's party. Yeah, and also on the bottom it has this nice pad over here. You can put this on table very nicely. And this carrying strap, you will be like the king when you go and party with this. Like, you come with the Tester on your playlist, Tester on Spotify, but also, yeah, Apple Music. This costed me about 150 euros, so I think it's a decent price because I had many JBLs before and they last many years. My last JBL Go, it lasted like, how much? Over 5 years at least, I think. But this one is even waterproof, so this one should last longer time, I think. I hope the battery also lasts a long time. It says 15 hours, but I don't mind if the power of the battery goes down even to like 10 hours, because that's enough for me. Over time every battery will go down a little bit. I think here it also has like dots for how much you have charged when you charge it, so that's good indicator. Indicator of battery. Yeah, JBL Xtreme 2. I give this 9.5 out of 10. It's almost perfect. But if they didn't put this UK block over here, I think it will be like perfect 10 out of 10. But I don't need this. This will just go to the trash, waste. So why do you want to waste resources? It's not good. Also, bonus points for packaging. The packaging is really nice. Nice unboxing experience and easy to carry with the handle. But yeah, 9.5 out of 10. Very good product. Also, make sure to check out Tester on Spotify, but also Apple Music, Deezer, Tidal, YouTube Music, Amazon Music, Tencent Music, and everywhere on the every streaming platform. That's Tester on Spotify. I have many songs over there, and Tester is amazing. He will come to play on a weekend festival next year. Yeah, subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment if you like Tester or not. Thanks for watching. Go follow Tester on Spotify.